My name's Christina Macleod, and I study mechanical engineering. I chose to study engineering because I was really curious about the world around me and wanted to know more about how things worked. Although I do have a very keen interest in planes and rockets, I was interested in learning more about everything around me. And I specifically chose mechanical engineering because I felt it was the most interdisciplinary of all the different types of engineering. And I really liked how it incorporated elements of electrical engineering, civil engineering, and chemical engineering, as well as, of course, mechanical engineering, but kind of brought everything together and was kind of the center of all these different types of engineering in different sciences. Um, Engineering to me means using the work of past scientists and engineers to incorporate their ideas and their findings from their research into everyday life around us. So their engineers are really critical in kind of taking the science and creating something out of it. And so that's really what engineering means to me, just building a better world for everyone. And this can be in all sorts of areas, whether you're interested in how to make products lighter, such as for planes or something, to make them more efficient, or you want to create a comfier chair that will be better for people who have sore backs. And I just love that about engineering. But I think engineering overall is such a great subject to study because you, as an engineer, are responsible for creating everything around us. Nothing around us would be possible without engineering. And so I think engineering is just a great way to actually make a difference in the world. There are loads of different areas of engineering, and all these areas need different types of people who have different interests. And just because you might not have spent your childhood, taking apart your car or your computer or something and rebuilding it, doesn't mean that you won't make a great engineer. And so, yeah, I encourage everyone who wants to make a difference in the world and who just wants to learn more about everything to study engineering. I'm Christina Macleod, and this is engineering.